We are making classic spaghetti with meatballs today. It's not going to be the easiest, but I guarantee it's going to be the tastiest. Add a 1/4 cup of milk to 2 cups of bread cubes. Then add 1 egg. And we mix. Parmesan cheese.
Pour it into the meatball.
And then now garlic.
This is the garlic. And dump it into the meatballs.
And salt.
Dump the salt into the meatballs.
Great. And now nutmeg. Yep.
This is the nutmeg.
Now do you see an open jar of fennel seeds?
Yes.
Yep. Add that.
Oh.
Not all of it, just until I say stop. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Thank you. Bread and the egg mixture. Now mix everything well and make meatballs. When oil is heated, we fry meatballs until golden brown. Now we make the sauce. Don't wash the pan and fry some garlic. Add crushed tomato and scrape off the brown bits at the bottom of the pan. Here's the secret ingredient for a better sauce, the cheese rind.
Let's cook the pasta.
Is it al dente?
Not quite yet.
What about now? Is it al dente?
Still not. It's al dente.
Last step, let's add some freshly chopped basil.
First, we'll try the meatballs. A little bit. Now let's try this.
Spaghetti with meatball?
Spaghetti with meatball. Success!
Oh, yay! Say thank you and bye-bye.